Paris Jackson, the daughter of the legendary pop icon Michael Jackson, has raised significant concerns about the management of her late father's substantial estate through recent legal filings. These claims focus on alleged mismanagement and personal enrichment by the estate's administrators. In documents submitted to court, Paris accused the co-executors of improperly handling the fortune valued at hundreds of millions. She specifically pointed to large sums being directed toward legal fees without sufficient transparency or beneficial investments for the estate's growth. The objection highlights worries that the estate has shifted from preserving Michael Jackson's legacy and benefiting his heirs to serving the personal interests of one executor in particular. Paris expressed growing concern over this direction, suggesting a deviation from the intended purpose. This latest filing follows a previous judicial decision that dismissed parts of an earlier request from Paris, deeming it misguided. That prior action sought detailed accounting of expenditures and raised similar issues about the executor's decisions. Despite the legal setbacks, Paris continues to pursue accountability, emphasizing the need for proper stewardship of her father's assets. The estate, built on Michael Jackson's unparalleled music career and business ventures, represents a vast legacy that includes iconic songs, properties, and intellectual property. Michael Jackson, known as the King of Pop, left behind 3 children, with Paris being one of the primary beneficiaries alongside her siblings. The executors have long managed affairs, navigating complex deals, debts, and investments to maintain and grow the estate's value. Allegations of excessive legal spending point to millions allocated without clear justification, potentially at the expense of more profitable opportunities. Paris's stance aims to ensure that funds are used wisely to honor her father's wishes and support the family. Court responses have noted that beneficiaries are adequately provided for, framing the objections as attempts to reframe recent losses in litigation. Attorneys for the estate have been awarded expenses in prior rulings, indicating judicial support for the current management. The ongoing legal battle underscores tensions in high-profile estate administrations, where vast wealth attracts scrutiny. Paris's actions reflect a desire to protect her inheritance and her father's enduring influence in music and culture. Michael Jackson's estate has seen successful ventures post his passing, including catalog sales, documentaries, and merchandise that continue to generate revenue. Proper management is crucial to sustaining this legacy for future generations. Paris, now an adult pursuing her own career in music and modeling, has spoken publicly about her father's impact on her life. These legal matters add a layer of complexity to her public persona, blending personal grief with financial responsibilities. The executors, experienced in entertainment law, have defended their decisions as beneficial overall. Debates over specific expenditures highlight differing views on risk and reward in investments. Forensic accounting requests aim to provide clarity, ensuring transparency in how funds are allocated. Such measures are common in disputed estates to resolve conflicts amicably. Paris's concerns also touch on preserving Michael Jackson's artistic legacy, fearing that self-serving actions could tarnish it. The King of Pop's contributions revolutionized music, dance, and philanthropy, warranting careful guardianship. Family dynamics in celebrity estates often involve public scrutiny, with media amplifying disputes. Paris navigates this while advocating for what she believes is right. Legal experts note that estates of this magnitude require skilled navigation of taxes, debts from the deceased's lifetime, and ongoing opportunities. The co-executors have overseen growth, turning potential challenges into successes. Yet, beneficiary objections ensure checks and balances, promoting fairness. Paris's filings contribute to this process, seeking alignment with the estate's foundational goals. As proceedings continue, resolutions may involve compromises or further rulings. The focus remains on honoring Michael Jackson's intentions while providing for his children. Paris's boldness in addressing these issues demonstrates maturity and commitment to family legacy. Her father's memory lives on through his music, inspiring millions worldwide. Ultimately, these claims prompt reflection on estate planning in celebrity circles, emphasizing clear directives and trusted management to avoid posthumous conflicts. The situation evolves, with all parties invested in a positive outcome for the beneficiaries and the preservation of an iconic legacy.